Ready for a no meat, no egg, no dairy, fast, low cost, little energy to make, great tasting meal? Then let's make one. Hello, gonna make tacos. I love tacos. I love them. Not as much as I like pizza, but I love tacos. Tonight I'm making smoked tofu, mesquite smoked tofu tacos. There's mesquite smoked tofu, Texas barbecue with some sweet chili. Now these are both have a little bit of kick to them, so they're really good. I'm going to mince up the tofu into very small pieces, mix the sauce in, and a little bit of salt and pepper go in that. And then I'm going to bake that, and that's going to be the filling, protein part. When it comes out, I'm going to have some sliced tomatoes that go on top, cilantro, fresh cilantro, green onions, all go on top with avocado. These are going to be fantastic. You're just going to love these. I made them before. They're really good. Now I'm sharing them with you. So I'm going to get all chopped up and I'll be back. Okay, I've got that done. I'm back. Got my tomatoes, as you can see. Take a look at them so you'll see how fine I've got my tofu, smoked tofu chopped up. And I'm just going to put a little of these in here when it goes into the oven. So I'm going to get that prepped up so you can see what that's all about. And then once that's done, I'm going to let that go in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes. It's probably all it's going to take, maybe 6. I've already heated up the oven. So I'm going to put some of this Texas barbecue in here. That's about a tablespoon, okay? And then I'm going to put about a teaspoon of this sweet chili in here, just like that. Now I'm going to take my tofu. I'm going to pile it in here. Now, I'm making enough for 2 tacos. You could split this down to probably 4 or whatever if you wanted to. It just depends. I'm going to eat this. So this is my dinner actually tonight. So I'm just going to throw a few tomatoes in here to bake in with the the sauce and everything else, which is going to be really nice. And that's it. So this will all bake together. So I'm just going to mix this all up with my fingers, as you can see. It's coming out just beautiful. I'm soaking everything in that barbecue sauce. Going to be just fantastic, along with the tomatoes. So I'm going to get this sort of evened out nicely so it'll all cook and bake. It's already cooked. So all I'm really doing is rebaking in a sauce. So I'm basically a term called glazing. So I'm glazing this sauce over what I've already cooked. Now the tofu you could have eaten raw. And that's the beauty of most vegan cooking, is that most of the stuff you can eat raw. Some stuff is actually better for you cooked because your body may have a hard time digesting it or getting all the vitamins out, like carrots, for instance. You're better off cooking carrots because then you get all the nutrition out of them. So I'll show you what that is before I rinse my hands off. So there it is. You could see, beautiful little mix. It's great. It's got the Texas barbecue in there. It's fantastic. I'm just going to get my hands rinsed a bit. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of black pepper in here, which works really nicely. Not a lot for me. Again, all my food that I make on this channel is all about you doing what you want to do with it. So I'm just giving you the ideas. You can make it exactly this way. And I can tell you, it's fantastic. So, but I make tacos, 1,000 different ways. This one just happens to be recipe or this putting this together. All this stuff goes on afterward, along with the tomatoes and everything else. So I'm going to put this in the oven and let it go for 6 minutes, maybe 7, 8, somewhere in there. I'll look at it. It's probably just take about 6 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. This is out of the oven. Just 6 minutes and it's beautiful. Let's let you take a look at it. Just gorgeous. You can see what that looks like. Yes, very nice. Oh, it's going to be fantastic. Okay, let's make tacos. So first thing I'm going to do is get my avocado. And I'm going to put a quarter of an avocado in each. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. I just love them when they just look that good. A quarter avocado in each one. That's like about 3 slices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice these up here just like that and that. And then 2 cuts into this one, that, and that. Okay. Take a tortilla. Now I steam these with some liquid in the microwave, wrapped in cellophane so they get nice and soft. Okay, so let's pile this in. Again, I'm making 2. These are going to be pretty robust size tacos. Is that about right? Yeah, that's good. Okay. So you can see I've got that in there, just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, okay. So now I'm going to put a little green onion inside here. I'm going to put some cilantro inside here. I'm going to put some tomato. Look at that. Oh, is that just beautiful? Let's get a little more tomato, make it even on the other one. That is just a beautiful taco. Okay, let's get it on the plate. Oh, these are going to be fantastic. Let's do another one. Okay. I'll get the avocado on in a minute. I'll do those at the same time. I'll just pull that back up. So let's do this. This smells so heavenly. Just fantastic. Let's get it all on this one. Everything left. And this, what's nice about doing it in the sticky sauce is it's all stuck together, which is really good. Let's get it all on here. That, just beautiful. Spread it over the whole taco. Wonderful. Let's put some green onions in here. I like lots of green onions on mine. And cilantro, I love it. It's just fantastic. Let's do the tomatoes. And you see I have some carrot here. That's going to go on the side. It's just like a little garnish. I love them. I make them myself. They're garlic, mesquite, grilled, olive oil, salt and pepper, carrots. They're just fantastic. Really, really wonderful. Okay, so let's set this down here for a second. You know something? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to serve them open, and then you'll see how they look. Makes more sense to me. Okay, let's get something to get the avocado out of here. All right, so we got our 3 slices, beautiful. So let's lay these in here. Oh, it's just actually just beautiful. That's got right there. Okay, fantastic. Let's put that on the plate. Let's get the other one done. This is just avocado, just perfectly ripe, just beautiful. Oh, another piece in there. Oh, that's just gorgeous, just gorgeous. Okay, let's get our roasted carrots in here as our little side dish. I love, and I'll even sprinkle a couple little bits of onion on top of there. And let's get the other taco on the plate. And there it is. You will see it above here, because when I'm done, I'm going to shoot it. But you can get a good look at it. These are just fantastic, beautiful, gorgeous. I'm FOODMAKER V, and remember, the best investment you'll ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.